So I'm going to show you how to insert a SIM card inside your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. Now, inside the box of your phone, depending on which region you bought it from, you're going to get a SIM ejector tool. So if you have a physical nano SIM card, you can actually insert it. So the first step is to locate the SIM tray, which with the phone folded is going to be at the top right there. So you can actually see there's a SIM tray right there. And all you have to do is grab the SIM ejector tool, put it inside that hole and push towards the phone like that. The SIM tray is going to pop out like that. And all you have to do now is just pull it out with the tips of your fingers. Pull out the SIM tray. Now, of course, it's going to let you know that the SIM card tray has been removed. So this SIM tray accepts one nano SIM card. It has no slot for a SIM 2, nor does it have a slot for an SD card. So all you have to do now is grab your nano SIM card and place it with the contacts facing up, just like this. You can see this indent is going to match the indent on the SIM tray. Now, once you place it like that, then now you can grab your phone and push the SIM tray with the SIM card back in there, just like that. And make sure it goes completely in and it's completely flush with the frame of the phone, just like that. And that's it. That's how to insert a SIM card. It may or may not require a restart, but that is basically how to set this thing up, or rather, how to insert a SIM card. So let's just quickly confirm after the restart. Go to settings, connections, SIM manager, and you can see we have a SIM card in there. Thanks for watching and good luck.